Morning everyone, welcome back to Leontine's farm. Just fed the geese and the ducks, but that's not the main topic of the clip today. Last night we put some standing hooks out and I got a bitch on a small snakehead just before it got dark, and I just saw one standing hook being pulled about, so it's either going to be a snake or a snakehead or a catfish if it's still on. Where is it? We have been trying to catch a snake. This is a mudfish. Only a small one, so we won't be eating this. This will be going in the pond to grow bigger. But this is probably one of the parents. That gave us those fingerlings the other day. But that'll do. So the look down here, I put 5 hooks out. Can't see anything on this one, but it has been pulled. Sometimes it can be a crab, sometimes it's a fish, can be the frog itself if it's a lively one. But usually when they get pulled deep into undergrowth, it means it's a snaky bugger. So still no snake. I don't particularly like catching snakes, but we really need to get some out. They're definitely hammering the duck eggs. We think it's them anyway. Could be the lizard. I almost forgot. Someone asked me how the snails are getting on. There's a bit of bonus footage for you here. Now a lot of snails in Thailand can grow very, very large, but more often than not the case is that they get picked or poisoned before they can grow into adults. So I'm just going to show you, if you don't spray loads of chemicals to kill them, and you don't collect them for the pot when they're small or any size, this is the sort of size that they can grow to, and bigger. Okay, remember we didn't put these in long ago, but they certainly weren't that size. So at the moment these are making the sexy time, and then you'll see, I'll show you in a minute, the bright pink eggs that they lay. So we don't actually eat snail. Well, Toon eats boy jub, which is a small, very, very hard shelled snail. I eat that if she's curried it, but those big ones, I'm not interested really. So the fish eat the small ones, the duck eat the small ones. Here's one. So you'll see, this is all broken up. So that means that they've been hatching and making their way down to the water, but the fish will have them, so the ducks will have them as well. There's a bit over here where there's absolutely loads and loads of snail eggs, so they normally leave them on rice or weeds because the water levels are high this time of year. I've chosen to use the base of a tree. Oh, bloody mango ants, or whatever they're called. So snails, very, very good for the pond. Free food as well. And we just enjoy keeping a variety of animals and creatures. So that'll do. I'll probably try and get a close-up picture of them. That's definitely it now. Bye 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 bye.